SQL Saturday. Data Saturday these days, Los Angeles, will be held in June. It's a virtual event. The organizers have asked those of us who submitted sessions to answer some questions. They really asked that I give an introduction, but who are you, Works? I'm Kevin Mackey, native Irish, but I've been here in the US about 28 years, 2 decades of which out in the San Francisco Bay Area and the rest of the time here in the Midwest in Kansas City. Here in the US, my work experience has mainly been consulting, application architecture, database, data warehouse design, analytics at places like Microsoft, Intel, Apple. A couple of sessions at eBay, Realtor.com. I also worked for 2 startups, senior technical architect on one, and managed the business application developers of another. This last was bought out eventually by SAP, sadly long after I had been there. Otherwise, I would have retired to my own island. Sessions I've submitted have been to do with code generation and how to build a high-performance SQL Server service broker application, mainly focusing on the code generation here because we used it to build the code for the service broker application. Tables, view definitions, the activation store procedures, C# code to parse XML messages, Java code to work against the database that we populated. Millions of lines of code from scratch built by 4 people on effectively a production line. Prior speaking experience, I've spoken at various SQL Saturdays, not LA, never quite got there. Orange County, Denver, here in Kansas City, New York. I also spent time when I worked at Digital Equipment Corporation in their educational services division. Basically, I was paid to talk. What's to like about SQL Saturday? In the words of the scary DBA, there's a lot of things you can do on a Saturday. And the people who go to SQL Saturday, whether to present or to attend, understand that this business is about networking, this business is about not standing still. So they give up their Saturday to go and learn, to go and find out what other people are doing. That's what I like most about SQL Saturday. What do I expect to take away? One, I'll attend some sessions so I can learn. And as may be obvious, I like the sound of my own voice, hence I get to present at various SQL Saturdays. This is a good thing. Most exciting technology that I'm playing with at the moment, working with at the moment, is graph databases. We live in a very interconnected data world, and graph databases model that very, very well. So, Data Saturday, Los Angeles, June. See you there.